everybody, welcome to Simply Made Fancy, Manly Edition. So we got these things at Christmas Tree Shop a few years ago, and they're great. They don't leak, which a lot of these things tend to leak. So what we're gonna do though is we're gonna take this little spout out of here and we're gonna install it in this little guy. So we're gonna put them right in here. We're gonna take the sticker off and clean it. This will be a funky, cute little thing for a birthday party. Now, this is my wife's expertise. I'm just handling the technical side. So let's see how this goes. Plastic nut off. Careful. Pop. There we go. Voila. That holds it. Okay, so we filled it up with some water. Looks like it's pretty sealed, and there you go. So, small disclaimer, I didn't realize this, but this is for a kid's party. Let's just, keep it real. But it can be misconstrued as something inappropriate. But we're not gonna look at it that way because this is a cute project. It's a teddy bear juice dispenser for a child's party. And that's all we're gonna say.
Thank you, honey. My honey made me this cute dispenser for our lemonade for the party. And another project that I've been working on is that I took the honey bottles that I've been collecting, I washed them out, and now we're gonna put labels on it. And as you can see, it says Dylan's Honey Lemonade, all natural. And with a cute little straw, it's gonna be a really cute lemonade stand. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm working on. So I cleared out this space and I'm trying to make it baby friendly so that we can play with the babies and just put some toys and do all that fun stuff. I'm gonna decorate this wall right here with some of these decorations. I got this Welcome to the Forest decals from Hobby Lobby. This tree I've already had from another birthday party. Buffet, I'm gonna put the drinks, more of the cake is gonna go in the middle, and some more of the decorations from Hobby Lobby and plates. These are the goodie bags for the older kids, the siblings that are coming. And this is for the babies. I put together a bib that has the forest theme, and then a book for the parents, Praying Circles Around Your Children. I love this book, so I wanted to gift everybody that. A little maraca for the babies, and some other stuff that we can actually use during the party as well. And I got these balloons at the dollar store with the colors of the theme. And then I had purchased this on Amazon Prime this week. It's an electric balloon pump, and I already used it and tried it and I really liked it, and it'll be saving me a lot of time instead of blowing all these balloons. I'm constructing the balloon arch. You're gonna need string for later on to string them along. But with the balloons, this is the technique. You're gonna take two of the opposite colors, twist it around, make sure that you're twisting them. Then you're gonna have a set. Then you're gonna take the other two opposite colors, doesn't matter what size, and you're gonna do the same thing, twist, a couple of twists so that you can get them secure. And then now you're going to take both bunches and twist them together. Make sure that you go all around, get them secure, nice and secure so that they don't fly away from each other. And then you're gonna have these. I have one set here, another set. So I have 3 sets already. And then we're gonna start constructing them with the string right in the middle.
That's when you everybody cheers. Everybody cheers. You guys are horrible.
Sorry, they're not as enthusiastic. But here we go. Let's take a tour of everything that we put together.
Who wants cake?
Yay!